All right, last example is one that I just finished. I just published it yesterday. So this is a cloud image processing workflow where you're analyzing and archiving G Suite images using GCP. So the thing is, maybe you work in architecture, maybe you work in the media, maybe you work in manufacturing, all right? These are industries where you tend to have a lot of images or video or multimedia sitting in your Google Drive cluttering things up, right? You have a lot of stuff in your drive. I can't even find my files anymore because I have so many folders with videos in them, okay? Well, why don't we move that to colder storage to get it out of my drive so it can actually work again more productively and put it in colder, cheaper storage like cloud storage. It's cheaper because you're not accessing it as much, right? And then if I'm going to do that, I might as well pass it to Cloud Vision to analyze it so I can catalog what I'm saving and archiving. And then why don't I just have all that going into a spreadsheet to help me realize how did I clear off my Google Drive and what's in archive, and give me a link so I can actually go and find them on cloud storage. Okay, so that's kind of an interesting workflow where I have images on Google Drive, I download those and then upload them to cloud storage for archival reasons. While I have the binary, I might as well send it to Cloud Vision and get some analysis on it and then record the results into a spreadsheet, okay? So that source code kind of looks like this. I have individual API functions, one to download from Drive, one to upload to cloud storage, one to pass the data to Cloud Vision to get littles out of it, one to add a row to a spreadsheet, and then my main just calls each 4 of those one at a time. And boom, I will have a spreadsheet that you see here. Oops, that you see. I shouldn't have done this, that you see here. Okay, so if we have time afterwards, I'll run through that demo as well too, but let me kind of wrap up pretty quickly here. So the code lab is now published just today, and then the source code was uploaded yesterday, so this is pretty fresh if you want to try this. This code lab is a little long though, because you have 4 APIs, so it's a little bit more than hours, and there's a lot of